our pretty little town just had a huge storm go through it, and all of these massive trees are now decimated and fallen to the ground, rooted up.
Oh, the whole dugout, the whole ball diamond is
gone.
Jeez.
We fortunately fared pretty well.
A couple of shingles in one hole in the siding. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow. Check out the flood. Look at this. Just destroyed.
Shit. I missed it all.
We were working late. We just got home about an hour ago.
Oh man, flattened. There's some trees there. Man, there's all the trees.
All the trees got taken down. Our neighbor ended up with 4 holes in his roof and water pouring into his bedroom.
Man.
And our neighbors told us that the storm just happened so fast, and there was a howling, and it was said that west of Millet a tornado did touch down. Looks like it fared pretty well here. And the mist is coming in.
Look at the mist. Not too eventful over here.
No. Anything else you want to say, Billy?
Watch out for the wind
In the mist.
and the mist.